Welcome to Investero. Bitcoin has been through multiple cycles of dramatic rises and painful crashes. But if history has taught us anything, it's that Bitcoin always comes back stronger. Every few years, people declare Bitcoin dead, and every few years it proves them wrong. The story of Bitcoin is one of volatility, resilience, and long-term growth. And as we step further into 2025, many seasoned traders and investors believe that Bitcoin's history is about to repeat itself once again, setting the stage for what could be another monumental rally. Some even believe that this could be the moment where life-changing trades are made, with the potential to turn millions into tens of millions if played correctly. Let's rewind to understand the history first. Bitcoin's first major bull run happened in 2011, when it went from just a few dollars to over $30 before crashing back down. Then in 2013, Bitcoin surged from $100 to over $1,000 before another crash that shook out weak hands. By 2017, the world had started paying attention. Most people thought the bubble had burst for good. But then came 2020 and 2021, when Bitcoin soared past $60,000, making early believers life-changing profits. Each time, Bitcoin crashes, consolidates, and then pushes far beyond its previous all-time high. This is why traders often say, history doesn't repeat itself exactly, but it rhymes in with Bitcoin. The rhyme is loud and clear. Right now, many analysts are pointing to the Bitcoin halving cycle as the key factor. Every 4 years, the reward for mining Bitcoin is cut in half, reducing new supply. Historically, within 12 to 18 months after a halving, Bitcoin enters a major bull run because supply tightens while demand grows. The last halving was in 2024, and if history is any guide, 2025 could be the explosive year where Bitcoin pushes into new territory. Smart money is already positioning itself for this potential move, and large institutional players are showing increasing interest. So where does the $10 million trade idea come in? For traders with conviction, the strategy revolves around entering Bitcoin during consolidation phases and holding through the volatility until the next parabolic move. Some investors are using leverage to amplify returns, though this comes with massive risk. But even without leverage, simply buying and holding Bitcoin has proven to be one of the best performing strategies over the last decade. If Bitcoin were to repeat its historical growth pattern, it could easily test levels beyond $100,000 or even $200,000 in the next cycle. A well-timed $10 million trade could therefore transform into something far bigger if history truly rhymes again. But this isn't just about hype. Fundamentals are stronger now than ever before. Unlike the early days, Bitcoin is no longer a fringe asset. It's being adopted by institutions, integrated into financial systems, and recognized as digital gold by many. Countries are creating clearer regulations. Big asset managers are offering Bitcoin ETFs, and corporations are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. This kind of mainstream acceptance increases the likelihood that Bitcoin will not only survive, but thrive long-term. At the same time, traders must be aware of the risks. Bitcoin is still highly volatile, and corrections of 30 to 50% are common, even in bull markets. Many traders get wiped out because they use too much leverage, get emotional, or panic sell during dips. History repeating itself doesn't mean a straight line upward. It means cycles of rallies, crashes, and recoveries. Those who succeed are the ones who stay patient, stick to their strategy, and don't get shaken out during corrections. The beauty of Bitcoin is that it rewards conviction. Every crash in its history has set the stage for an even bigger rally. Those who doubted in 2013 missed out on the 2017 run. Those who panicked in 2018 missed out on the 2021 highs. And those who gave up in 2022 missed out on the comeback that began in 2023 and beyond. If the pattern holds, 2025 may be the year where the next wave of Bitcoin millionaires and billionaires are created. For everyday investors, the lesson is not to blindly throw money at Bitcoin, but to understand the cycles. Small, consistent investments, known as dollar-cost averaging, have historically been one of the safest and most effective ways to build a position. For bigger traders, like those making $10 million moves, the strategy often involves patience, deep research, and the ability to stomach volatility. They don't panic at dips, they buy them. As we look ahead, the possibility of Bitcoin repeating its historical cycle is very real. The supply is tightening, demand is rising, institutions are stepping in, and global adoption is accelerating. The next bull run follows the same pattern. The highs we've seen before may look small compared to what's coming. The real question is whether you'll be positioned to benefit from it, or whether fear and doubt will make you miss out once again. Bitcoin history has repeated itself enough times to show a clear pattern. Every cycle brings skepticism, every crash brings fear, and every recovery brings new believers. And right now, all signs suggest we're entering another defining chapter in Bitcoin's story. Whether it's a $10 million trade or a few $100s invested by an everyday person, the principle remains the same. Conviction, patience, and a long-term view could be the keys to life-changing gains.